guys, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna get a little sound comparison with our mask today by Dead Air. Let's do it. All right guys, we're out here at the range. We got our Dead Air mask and we got our Taurus TX22 T.O.R.O. So we're gonna throw some shots down here, see what it kind of sounds like on it, so we can see how much quieter this little bad boy makes it. Let's do it. All right, we're gonna go not suppressed this round. We're not gonna shoot that steel. We got a piece of drywall right up there, so we are gonna go for that. But let's get a good idea what it's like not suppressed. So, you know, I threw in my earplugs. I don't want to hear all that nonsense. But it's still pretty loud, not suppressed, for 22. We're down here in the woods. It kind of echoes in that valley. But we burned up that little target we were shooting at. This thing's always dead on. So let's throw that suppressor on there and get an idea what it's like suppressed. All right, guys, we have our Dead Air mask on there. Look at that. That is sharp. Compact, still not long, about 5 inches or so. The weight's not bad at all. So let's throw some down here, get an idea of what we got suppressed now. That's quiet. Really quiet. That is really nice right there. Wow. That was 22 shots right there. Really nice. That should give you a great idea, side by side, of what these guys sound like. Let's throw a few more down there. Let's get a few more down there. Man, it is so quiet. Let's hit some steel. Let's see how loud that steel is on it. Yeah, that steel's definitely louder than the shot. Wow. Even though I know you guys hate hearing steel on suppressors because you want to hear the actual quietness of it. But I just want to give you an idea of what it sounds like, how much louder that steel is. Let's go steel. All kinds of different little rings right there. That was it. What do you think about it? I think that is bad ass. Which, you know, we can thread this 17 HMR, 22 WMR. I mean, just I think 5.7. So it'd be interesting to see what that sounds like. This little guy on those. But this is nice. It will, we are getting a lot of blowback, so just a little bit of gas. This makes that, not blowback in the face, just enough to get your little red dot lens fogged up, trash on it. So you gotta keep that clean a little bit. We gotta wipe it off. Other than that, no issues. We'll go not suppressed on some steel this time. See, I mean, it's still somewhat loud. Now what we do, we'll thread that up, unload it, go back to back and thread the suppressor on. Get us another idea. Nothing. Still. Nothing. Still. Maybe not. I mean, that is nice right there. Really quiet. You guys got the mask and you like it? Let me know in the comments below. If you don't like it, if you've had issues out of it, what's really good, we can break this down and clean all the baffles out inside, because 22 is like a trashy ammo. But throw something in the comments. Let me know what you all think. If you plan on getting one, if it's something you like, I think this on a 22 LR is freaking amazing. I mean, it's almost like a game changer. But yeah, guys, I appreciate you tuning in. You all have a good one. Peace out.